In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side windshield wiper in this 2005 Honda Element. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2003 through 2011. So we're going to grab a hold of our wiper blade and we're going to pull it towards us or pull it outwards. It's going to rest at about a 90-degree angle. What you can do then is grab a hold of your blade, your wiper blade. You can spin it. You don't need it to be horizontal. Just at a good angle right here is fine, because what we're going to end up doing is finding the inside of where it rotates. It's going to be around a little J-hook. There's going to be a tab on most wiper blades. Some are a little different, but you're going to find some sort of locking mechanism. This one's a tab. We're going to pull that tab out, and we're going to take our wiper blade and pull it straight down towards the windshield. And then lift it right off. So on this blade specifically, here is that tab. All right, so we pulled this tab away, and our hook here on our wiper arm went around and was locked in here. At this point, when you have your wiper off, you want to be very careful not to knock your wiper arm back down. Could damage your windshield. So you're going to be very careful not to let this swing back. Now with our new wiper blade ready to be installed, we're going to find the front and the back of this attachment point. So this area here has a clip just like we removed from the old one. This is going to be our back side. If we rotate this down, we'll find the front side where the round portion of our arm is going to sit around. Now that we have that oriented, we're going to put our wiper arm into the blade, onto our new clip here. We're going to push up. All right? We're going to push up until it clicks in place. If you have any issues clicking it into place, what you can do is open your wiper and then go ahead, and you may have to open or close the clip on here just a little bit to get that arm to sit and lock in. So now that you have your wiper blade locked in place, go ahead and give it a little tug back and forth. Make sure it is actually locked in. Once you're confirmed it's locked in, go ahead and lower your blade onto your windshield, and you're done. And the process is going to be the exact same for the passenger side. It is also the same length blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.